Do you struggle with low oil yield despite using advanced solvent extraction equipment? The problem may lie in the pretreatment process, which is crucial for high oil yield in edible oil processing plant. Pretreatment includes cleaning, crushing, softening, and flaking. Each step impacts oil yield and energy consumption. Incomplete cleaning leads to impurities. Uneven crushing traps oil, and insufficient softening reduces oil recovery. It's a key step for efficient oil extraction. QIE Group specializes in efficient pretreatment equipment, energy-saving oil pressing machine, and intelligent edible oil production lines. Our solutions, cleaning, extrusion, flaking, dehulling, and pre-pressing, are designed to optimize oil seeds, improving oil yield and quality. With QIE Group's advanced pretreatment solutions, your edible oil plant can achieve higher oil yields, better oil quality, and improved profitability. Let us help you maximize your edible oil production efficiency.